Today we're going to be using Claude AI, which I like better than ChatGPT personally because it's better for deep analysis and programming tasks. It allows you to do cool things like use artifacts. I mean, the subscription on ChatGPT and other AIs that are conversational do also, but let's try out some Claude today. Build a budget tracker that allows me to save money, make it engaging. Please and thank you. In as few lines of code as possible. This is important because Claude uses something called token limits, TOKEN, which if you use too many, it'll stop halfway through. Oh, convert to HTML. That way you can use it on the browser. I'll create an engaging minimalist budget tracker for you. It's right in the code over here. And this way you'll always have it. When it gets done, you click right here, download as HTML, but it's still loading. It does it really fast too. All right. So boom, boom. Let's go to download as HTML. Open it. All right. So your savings goal is okay. I don't like it. Okay. Allow the input to change based on entered values. Create sections such as a phone bill, rent, gas. Remember to add as few lines of code possible. So please update in as few lines code possible because I use a free plan. Please and thank you. Now let's see what happens. See what it says. Drafting artifacts. Code messed up. Please fix your errors. There we go. No, just re-download it. Open it. All right. So let's say your income amount 200. Add transaction. Now you can see you added $200. Your savings goal is 500. So let's say you had to pay 40 for your phone. Now it up there to 160. So this is something that you can use. Say a friend had just given you 50 on Cash App, category income. No, it was just Christmas. So let's just say you got 100 for Christmas. That transaction 260. So as you can see, updates in real time. So that's our budget tracker app. And the prompt was allow the input to change based on enter values. Create sections such as phone bill, rent, gas. Please update as few lines of code possible. Please and thank you. Sometimes you'll have errors, so all I have to do is say, please fix your errors. And remember, in as few lines of code possible is what makes it work. Or else it'll be doing a long spill of code that might run out of token limits too fast. This has been Advanced Lance. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Claude AI tips and tricks. Thank you.